precious to humankind. He was a martyr, he was beheaded. Nothing to do with love, just mean you lose your head. Like praying mantis, that's Hasker. Nom nom nom, nom lover. Okay, let's ask a hippo. He's gonna be fine. Hey, hippo, tell me how your love is designed. Oh shit, I can feel my belly.
Well, at least it looks as if some chocolate. Oh, Romeo, we're for a yeah, blah, blah, blah.
Tricky bitch, I just wanted you on my crotch, but
No, let's make it suicide. I'll be the top.
now I'm dead. No more fun for my cock.
You would not people look outside, but if you go aware not to become a Jedi, may the first movie you might look in news now. You're the mind, motherfucker, how does it mean not?
What? He didn't bring me chocolate too.
It's a 10th Christmas Eve in Jerusalem. I know you love her harder and you long to be witchy, but making cocks disappear inside your 30s movie. Please don't try to convince me you were so cursed the Imperial. You should still do a cruise, you'll use a new volcano.